And Ralph are driving down the street and they see three Mormon cult missionaries on their knees in the middle of the street. And one says to the other, "What do you think they're doing?" And the other one says, "Well, they're not doing, all three of them are kneeling, so they're not doing what their Mormon cult males are known for. They have that nickname. And yeah, they're praying. Our Heavenly Father, please don't let any of our missionaries get caught a raping or a stealing or a compromising American security." And yeah, they honk as they go past and tell them, "We don't like a case in our neighborhood when only our kids are home."